That's how to do it.
So, what causes that?
By the power of Satan!
I don't think that's necessary.
Yeah, don't invoke Satan, please.
No, I'm talking about how much.
Oh.
Yeah, the invoking Satan thing is fine.
Yeah, I don't care about that at all, but let's not waste.
You get an entire bag of flour.
Woo!
Oh, everyone at once.
Here's a different side of you, John.
It's getting plastered all over that smoker over there.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Dad, were you recording that?
Yeah.
No. Post that on your channel.
So?
I don't want you to post that on Facebook.
Dad, post
I'll
that
put
on
it
your
on
channel.
YouTube.
Better.
Hey, I'm recording.
Behave.
Wait.
Woo! I don't know how I never knew about this trick.
Oh, Patty's doing it too.
I feel-
This is fun.
I feel gypped now.
Drop the whole bag in there.
Y'all ready? There we go. Y'all ready for this?
You know shit's going sideways when I am the voice reading.
Yeah! Right after we did that, and I went, woo! That was pretty cool when you did it.
I felt the heat over here.
Yeah.
Hey Dad,
I'm pretty proud of that.
how much
Oh wow,
money
good
does
job.
it take to get
Good
a
job.
bag of flour?
Amazing. That's the best one.
Stop. What?